Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to day 4 of me journaling my journey to become a profitable and the best version of myself. Um, it's crazy that it's only day 4 of me counting like my trading days and the actual weekdays, but we're already almost halfway through the month. We're 2 weeks in. It's January 12th, 2026. Um, and today I ended up taking an L. To me, this is a pretty good setup, but there are things I could have worked on. Um, First off, I ended up entering the trade off of liquidity sweep right here. Break of structure. Uh, we had a really strong candle with this break of structure after this move down. And then we ended up leaving a bullish fair value gap that I got tested into, and then we exited out of. And then I entered here, ended up putting my stops here and targeting these A succession highs. To me, this is a pretty good trade. But unfortunately, we did get stopped out in one candle. Some things I could have worked on honestly was because the overall trend we were pretty bearish, and the thing with Asia session, it usually picks off a trend and then it usually pursues it throughout the whole entire session. So we were leaning more towards bearish. I thought that we would come up, resweep these hot, like not even resweep. I wouldn't even consider this a sweep. We would come up and sweep these highs and then push down, but we ended up just kept dumping. And yeah, this trade didn't work out. I lost around $200 on a live account. We don't have much left. I think I have around, let me actually check. $200, no, $686 left. left. In the balance, we only have one trading day. So yeah, this month has not been too good. And I also ended up trading on my eval after taking this trade, and I was up around $1,000 on my eval, and I ended up putting my stop loss break even, and I ended up getting hit for break even, and now I'm still down on my account, which is honestly foolish of me. I definitely should have closed that trade. The only thing that was keeping me from closing it was that my take profit was at around $3,000, so I would have passed my funded. But this is just a ton of tough scene to watch. Looking at this just dump. I think tomorrow, mark my words. Um, I think I'm gonna. I really do think I'm gonna capitalize off A's session because, as you guys can see, we picked a trend and we started dumping right off the jump, right as soon as A's session opened. Here, we opened, we just kept going in the same direction. Here, we opened, just dumped again. Like it keeps doing the same thing. Look, as soon as we open a little thing, dump, open, dump, open. Okay, this one we did a little bit of chopping, but we ended up picking up a trend and we ended up pursuing it. So my only problem here was that I don't know why. I mean, it was a good setup. I think it would have worked out if it was Nasdaq during the New York session or a different pair. But the thing with gold, it chooses a trend and it pursues it and it just keeps going that way until it takes out some significant lows. So I don't know that I expected different today. So it probably wasn't the best. I mean, it was a good trade to take, but probably not in these circumstances. But tomorrow, I really do think I'm gonna capitalize off it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna try to take my eval at a drawdown or um, make some money on the eval. I mean, on the live account. I don't know. I still have to work on my emotions. I'm still. I mean, it's normal to get upset, but I just shouldn't act on my emotions. And the thing with trading, it's hard when you trade for a while and you don't see any results, and you feel like you're in a plateau and you're just in a slum, and you're not making much progress and you don't know what to do. But most important thing is that you stay consistent. You show up every day regardless of what's going on. But yeah, today was day 3. I lost around $200 on my live account, and we'll be back. No, today was day 4. We'll be back for day 5.